what to do. How about modding tutorial? Let's see, decompile is what you should do first. Loading. It takes a while. So, whoops, I messed up. Yeah, I keep messing up. I'll pause until this is done. This mod thing, whatchamacallit, the decompile. Okay, so the decompile process finished. So now you can go into Eclipse and sorry about the slow computer thing. Open up Eclipse. I'll just minimize this. It'll take a bit, it'll show up. Sorry, I'm eating sprees. And it takes a little to load up, but it'll turn green. See, it takes a little bit to load up, and then you can actually get to making a mod. And I'm not gonna do mod loader yet because so far all I do is copy paste and edit for mod loader stuff because oh, here it goes. Because I'm not the greatest at coding. So since Minecraft 1.3, there's a whole bunch of new files in here. The one you need is net Minecraft src, and you'll find all of the codes in Minecraft. So the ones I usually use are the entities, and a little bit further down are the models. So let's say here. I'm gonna see how this works, but well, I'm not a Java coder myself. I just sort of wanted to know how to make mods, so I somewhat taught myself. As you can see, I'm going into model wolf, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna, oh, here we go. Take this, see all this coding. Oh, there. It's doing a quick little load. Actually, not too quick. But okay, it's laggy stuff's gotta lag. Now model ocelot. I'm gonna make a mod that makes wolves more, well, makes wolves into ocelots, basically, in a way. And because I've always wanted ocelots to be easier to tamed, it's really annoying. I'll take the ocelot model, copy it, take the wolf, and don't do this ever with the human model, because you need player API to do that. And so you'll notice there's some errors up at the top. It's because the coding refers to the ocelot. So you're gonna type wolf and just go down real quick. There should be no more errors. Good. Save model wolf. X out of it and model ocelot. Model ocelot's fine. And then you don't want the ocelot to glitch looking like a wolf, so you want to go into entity. I'm going to go into entity wolf, which is down here. It's going to be down here somewhere. Oh, well, I'm at the top. Entity. Oh, here it is. Okay. You'll find the texture for it. You just want to change this to ocelot. It's ocelot in the texture. Just in case you mess that up. Okay, here it is. Let's say for a tame one, we want the red cat, because that's, to me, that's the cutest. And the one that looks most tame. For the angry one, I'm going to put the Siamese. Because Siamese cats are so evil. They're not. I like cats. Technically why I'm doing this. Now, all that's done. X out of here. Go back into your folder, MCP, Minecraft Coder Pack. Go into the file itself that you downloaded, which has to be in a folder to work correctly. Go into there, and to save it, you'll do recompile. Now, I think this file takes a little bit to run as well, so I'm going to pause. So the recompiling finished. If you're not making a server mod, don't worry about the cannot find server sources. Try decompiling. That's just because the server's not done. Now it's recompiled, but you still need to receive your edited files, which is what reobfuscate is. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait for this one to load as well, and see when it's done. So you found the edited files, the wolves, and you notice if you want to upload your mod somewhere, find the files in here. Wait, if there's any textures custom, this next step you won't be able to do, but here's the files that you'll do. And you'll need to insert any kind of textures to jars, bin, minecraft.jar. You can explore this file a little bit. Now you can do start client to test out your whatever you're doing. So it loads a little bit, but this isn't one I need to skip before. It's basically actually the file that's going to run Minecraft. So, oh, here we go. I'll just maximize that. I'm not going to put it in full screen because that'll lag. You'll see this coming up. And this won't pick up you, so just create a new world. Creative. Super flat, no structures, just typical world for building in creative mode, or whatever your purpose may be. Okay, you can see the slimes, but you'll see if this mod works. It doesn't seem to crash yet. You'll it isn't picking up the ocelot. So that mod does not work, and as you can see, it's messing up. So that's what I found every time I mess with the ocelot coding. I mean the wolf coding. Try to make it like an ocelot. It's really weird, but it's because of the render file, I think. It either comes from the render file, or the model file, or the entity file. But as you can see, that obviously does not work. I forgot that doesn't work whenever I was gonna do this. I actually wasn't planning on messing up, but yeah, that will happen, I guess. And let's say you wanted to make something a little bit better. You would clean up and then decompile again, but I don't want to take all that time. And it still lets you edit code. Let me just don't spawn any wolves. See, it won't crash. It's still safe, but it's just that your won't show up. It's something in the render file, I think, or in the model. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, you'll see that. SRC net Minecraft, and so what a lot of people want to know is how I made my diamond creeper mod. Well, Actually, one of the easiest mods ever to make. You find entity creeper. We'll walk through how I made it. And in the new version, I made it so creepers have more health, and I'm going to do that. So, I created a new file called diamondcreeper.png first. That's that. When you go down, so you get max health, return. Change that number, that's 20, to, let's say, 35. Actually, I think I changed it to something else. Might be 20 or something. I don't remember. Don't mess with any code that you don't know what it does. What I did here was I made it, instead of that, I made it 24.5, powered one. And that might do something. I don't know. Oh, never mind. And this is 12.5. So it's going to be 12, right? It's going to turn out as a much bigger explosion than the original. Now, this is what I changed to make it so when a skeleton kills it, drops diamond block. You do block, dot, and then you find diamond block on here, block diamond, dot, block ID. And it'll magically, this light will disappear. Now, down here, where a creeper drops gunpowder, change this to diamond. Oh, no, not diamond W. Not Freddy W. When you save it, if there's any errors, they'll show a thing up here. It won't save up here where my mouse is. And that's pretty much how I made my diamond creeper mod. And then I just took the graphic file and I did it. So that's the coding behind that. So yeah, it's pretty much exactly how I made my diamond creeper mod. And then I did the recompile, re-obfuscate. And I of course had to create the texture. But a lot of people were looking for a good tutorial. Pointed them around to my old one. And I hope you guys like my new one. Bye.